I'm going to be talking about the photo gallery module next. If I click on Manage Modules over here on the left-hand side and then click on New Module, I'm going to select Photo Gallery from this drop-down. The Photo Gallery module is one of our more popular ones. I'm going to give this a name. We'll call it CMS 201 Photos. And then click on Submit. And so now we should see it over here, down here at the bottom on the left-hand side. So what you can do is you can add in many photos and then have them display as a gallery. So as an example, if we go to the Recreation Center website, it gives an overview of the Recreation Center. And then if you look down here, there's a bunch of photos. And this is using the photo gallery module as an example. So let's walk through and show you how to add it and how to add pictures to it. So I'm going to go back to our CMS. And here is the photo gallery module that I've created. And so now I'm going to click on this button that says Add Gallery. Here I'm going to give it a title. So we'll call this CMS 201 Photos. And I'll give it a description here. And then a couple options that you have listed below here. Include a link to the list of all galleries when this gallery is displayed. So that is this link that you see at the bottom of the gallery. So we're going to keep that check. And then this says display the gallery in a list of all galleries for the site. And as you can see, it says strongly recommended. And what this checkbox does here is when you add more and more photos into a gallery. So for example, if we look here at the athletic and recreational facilities, you can have a photo gallery be uploaded but not listed. And that's what this box here means. So if you uncheck this, then the gallery will not be listed. And as you can see, we strongly recommend that you keep it checked because you're going to want to list it. And then you can also choose where you would like the gallery to be added, above the other galleries or below the other galleries. So now that we've got our options set, I'm going to click Submit. And now we have started to create our very first photo gallery. So now that we've created the gallery, we can now add photos to that gallery. So to do that, I'm going to click on the Photos button over here on the right-hand side. And then I'm brought to this page to where it says I currently do not have any photos. So we're going to click on the button that says Add Photos. From this page, I'm going to click on the Choose Files button, which will then bring me to a dialog box to where I need to select the photos I want to upload. So I have some photos here that I'm going to upload. I just selected the first one. And now I need to go through and give the photos title, an alternate text, and a description. So I'm going to do that real quick here. Okay, so now that I've added in the title, some alt text, and a description, I can then click on the Choose File button again, and then repeat the process and create more and more photos. So I'm going to take a couple seconds here and add in some more photos. So now I have a couple photos added. I'm going to click on the Submit button at the very bottom. And now you can see that we have photos added into the photo gallery. So now that we have some photos added into the gallery, let's add this gallery to one of our pages. So I'm going to click on the Content link on the left-hand side. I'm going to find the page that I wish to add this gallery to and click on the Edit button. And now, let's add the photo gallery to this section here. So I'm going to click on the Modules button in the bottom right-hand side here. I'm going to scroll down and find the CMS 201 photos from the photo gallery. And now it adds it to this section right here. If I click on the blue edit icon, you can see I have a few more options in here. So for example, I can have the heading showing or hiding. I can have a description of the gallery showing or hiding. And then I can choose which gallery I want to be shown in this section. So currently we only have one gallery here, the CMS 201 photos. But in the case of the Recreation Center, they have many galleries here. These galleries would then be listed in the drop-down right here. So you can choose which gallery you want to be shown. So for this example, I'm going to say the CMS 201 photos, and then it asks, how would you like this gallery module to display? As thumbnails or as an image gallery slideshow? So let's choose thumbnails, and I'm going to say save. And then I'll add the exact same module below it, and we will choose the second option here, which is image gallery slideshow. So now I'm going to click on the preview draft button, and let's see how this looks. So here's how our page looks. You can see from the top option here, we chose the option of having it listed as thumbnails, and these are the thumbnails that are listed. This one down here, you remember we chose as the image gallery slideshow. And you can see that it shows one picture at a time at a larger size. And then the user can then click on the right and left arrow to display all the different photos. So now that we've added the photos, we're all set. We can come back to our CMS page, click on Publish, and now our changes have been saved.